Hi friends, how are you? So excited to be here. We get to look at the new February Potomac Bead Box. Yay! So excited to share this with you. It is, oh my goodness, to die for. Literally. No, I hope not, but just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So it's called Everlasting Embrace Treasure Box, a captivating and versatile collection that harmoniously blends the enchanting colors of love, adoration, and tenderness. This bundle embodies the spirit of blossoming romance with check glass and tulips, hearts, and delicate contour of storm duos. The palette includes elements of passionate red to delicate pink, dreamy violet, and regal purple. And you can go for ideas to potomacbeads.com ideas. And if you go to my link tree, you can find my code, and a little bit goes towards me with your purchase, but it does not affect your purchase at all. So here's a list of all the beauty that is in this box. So yeah, just amazing. So we're gonna start with, they have some wire guard protectors. How fun is that? And then we have the check glass 2-hole tile beads in violet. Let's see if I can get that reflection off there. Maybe I'll pull one out. These are just so pretty. Just a nice deep violet, purple, mauve-y color. Very lovely. Some fun ear wires. There we go. If I bring them up real close, it won't have as much reflection. Look at those fun ear wires. And then some really pretty silver-plated bails. They send some of the most beautiful things, really good quality. Oh my goodness, these are so pretty. Look at those hues. Ooh, the bag ripped. Oops, my bad. I was gonna throw them in this quaint little bowl anyways. How pretty are those? All different shades of violet and purple and mauve. So pretty. Oh, how cute are these check glass hearts? Look at that. How precious is that? Uh-oh. I will have to get that later. I love this lilac-y, excuse me, white lilac luster. White lilac luster. It's like this just so pretty. Look at that. It's got a nice little sheen to it. Oh, these tulips. I love these tulips, these check glass tulips. How cool are those? I'm in love with this box. Thank you, Potomac. These are just beautiful. And then we have a strand of crystal bicones. I believe these are the 2mm. All kinds of different colors. Just beautiful. We have another strand of check glass rounds. I think these are either 6 or 8mm. Like a lilac color. Then we have some more rounds. These are in ruby red. Look at that. So pretty. just beautiful. A tube of Miyuki seed beads with their silver lined flame red with an AB finish. Isn't that just beautiful? Oh, these are so pretty. These check flower designs, ovals. Oh, look at that. Oh, these pearls, they're like a very, very, very pale lavender. So pretty. Beautiful, beautiful. Also well packaged. Here's another strand of crystal. Oops, sorry about that. Very, very pale violet. A fun Potomac beads pen. This is the Lilac Vega Luster, White Lila Vega Luster Storm Duo beads. So I think 2 duos that they have 2 holes. How beautiful is that? I have to figure out how to use that shape. I don't think I've used a Storm Duo yet. Such a pretty shape, pretty bead. Oh, another one of my favorite are these check glass flowers. I'm in love with how that I would say periwinkle pops on the black. Very unique. And then these are the check star beads, 8mm in fuchsia. How beautiful. And then we have some crystal bicones in amethyst. If I can get see how beautiful that is. Look at that. Oh, so pretty, so tiny. They're 2mm. I don't want to lose those. And then another beautiful crystal strand. These are probably the faceted 10mm rounds. Oh, I keep going up there. I'm sorry, folks. How beautiful is that? And then last but not least, these gorgeous crystal navettes in a setting in white opal. Oh, look at that. Oh, I love opal. So beautiful. So, such a beautiful setting. And they have holes in them too. So making it easy to bead with. I can't wait to use them for something. So, that is everything that comes in the February box. So make sure you use my link if you want to get this subscription. Doesn't affect your price, but a little bit goes to me and helps me to keep doing these videos. And stay tuned, and I will do a design on the fly with these gorgeous beads here very soon. All right. And if you haven't, every Friday at 4 o'clock, Trisha from Pink Poodle Jewelry Studio and myself, we bead along with friends. So come join us. Just a very chill time of just hanging out and beading together and enjoying all the beads that we have or crafting. So hope to see you there on my YouTube or on her YouTube. And we're also on Facebook. So hope this finds you well. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Every little bit helps me keep bringing videos like this and design videos. All right, have a blessed day.